Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel Tech. So today I get the following one error notification while I try to check the updates from my Google Play Store and it shows something went wrong. Try again. So how to fix this issue? And this error is mainly occurs for two possible reasons, and the one is due to this Google Play Store cache data and another one of the reason is due to network problem. So anyway, if you want to fix this issue, just open your settings menu and then locate app section and click to open it. So here you can locate that Google Play services and click to open it. So now this time you can click to access storage and then go to manage storage. So finally you can click to delete this entire app data. So once you done this processes, just go back to the one step. So here you can click to access this permission settings. So here you can check it if all the permissions are enabled or not. So once you check it and then go back to the app section. So now this time you can click to access Google Play Store. So first you can force stop this application and then go to storage. So same way you can click to delete this entire app data. So after you done this processes, just go back to the one step and click to access the same permission settings. So same way here also you can click to allow all the access permissions. So once you check it and then close all the settings window and one time restart your Android mobile. So after the restarting is completed, now I try to open my Google Play Store because I check it if my Play Store check the updates or not. So finally you can see now this time my Play Store works very smoothly and it does not show any other error notifications. So friends, if maybe this trick not works for you, just one time reset your all network settings. So I hope after you reset your all network settings, your Play Store opening very smoothly. So anyway, don't forget to like this video if it is works. So otherwise, just leave your own comment. So for more tech videos, you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel Tech. And thanks for watching.